Today, your life changes completely. O ye people, hearken unto me. The mystery of the heavens hath been revealed unto you. The divine cell, lo, it cannot be hid again. O ye that believe, if thou holdest the divine cell in thy hand, thou shalt accomplish all things and heal every affliction. O ye people, doth thy heart yearn for the divine cell? The divine cell is wrought by the measure of thy faith, for according as thou choosest to behold the world, so shall the cell draw nigh unto thee or flee far from thee. Behold, a strange affliction hath arisen in the earth. This malady, yet without name, springeth forth when unresolved anger and sorrow break the harmony of thy body. Thou hast heard it said that this affliction is the wrath of God. But nay, it is a lie, the deceit of Pharaoh. God hath no part in this affliction. And more wondrous still, I proclaim unto thee that this affliction may be healed by the divine cell. Yet mankind is foolish and unready to receive this truth. O ye people, I shall break the taboo of Pharaoh and declare unto you a great revelation. But until the appointed time, thou shalt not utter what thou hast heard. When the hour cometh, this mystery shall spread abroad of its own accord. O ye people, wherefore dost thou blame God when thy body aileth or calamity befalleth thee? This is neither thy fault nor the fault of others. It is the ancient guile of fallen kings. For if mankind leaneth upon the universe and God, kings lose their power. And if mankind blameth the universe and God, the sins of kings are covered. Thus have they, from of old, blinded thee to the truth and hidden thy potential. O ye people, awake thou now. The great revelation is this: the divine cell dwelleth already within thee. The divine cell is swayed not by the world, but by the heart within thee. For by the manner in which thou regardest the world, the cell is quickened. O ye people, hast thou understood these words? Thy thoughts can heal affliction or bring it forth. And when thy heart changeth, thy life shall change also. The chosen are not Pharaoh, but ye who bear the divine cell. O ye people, how long have I waited to proclaim this unto thee? Thou art awakened, and at last thou knowest that thou art a creator. O ye people, the hour is come. I shall reveal unto thee the mystery of awakening the divine cell that sleepeth within thee, and it lieth in the words thou speakest in the present. To speak in the present hath a holy power, as though thou already possessest. Declare, I am blessed, and my joy overfloweth, and thou shalt straightway be blessed and full of joy. That which angereth thee is not man nor circumstance, but the words thou hast spoken in the present, saying, I am wroth. O ye people, the words thou speakest in the present tarry not for the morrow, but come to pass in the moment they are uttered. If thou desirest a thing truly, speak as though thou hast it already. Speak it oft, that the divine cell may hear. To speak thy desire in the future is folly. Of old, there was a young man afflicted with a grievous cold, and he wrote upon his cherished papyrus, Would that my cold were healed. And lo, in a few days, his cold was healed as by a miracle. Years passed, and the young man became old, his memory dim. Finding his papyrus, he read again, Would that my cold were healed. And in his dimness, he began to wish once more for healing. O ye people, hast thou discerned the lesson? That which thou speakest in the future remaineth a wish in the future. To say, I shall be rich, is to proclaim that thou art not rich now, nor shalt thou be hereafter. If thou wouldst be rich, give thanks for what thou hast and declare, I am rich, and abundant is my store. Speak it not once, but until thy falsehood becometh thy faith, and the divine cell shall hear and make thee rich. Though all things crumble, say, I am steadfast. Though all be taken from thee, say, I am abundant. The foolish shall mock, but the Lord shall uphold thy faith. But O ye people, take heed. The words of negation thou speakest oft become faith unto the divine cell, and even that which thou desirest not, the cell shall strive to make real. Thou art a creator and a prophet. By thy words thou createst, and by thy words thou prophesiest thy future. O ye people, when things go well, thou takest pride, but when things go awry, thou blamest God. Yet now that thou knowest thou art a creator, great responsibility is given unto thee. All that thou speakest shall become truth, and all that thou believest shall become reality. The divine cell shall awaken, and it shall be done according to thy thoughts and words. O ye people, the divine cell is within thee. Use it with wisdom. Think upon love and speak of love. Love shall surely bring to pass that which thou desirest. Wouldst thou change this world? When thy thoughts and words are changed, the world shall change of itself.